Watch this video and learn how to draw a firework.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Are you in a good mood?
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Oh, that's excellent, Artie.
Good day, Artie!
Hey, Artie, how's it going?
Artie's very happy today. Artie, come on, let's start the drawing. Let's start by drawing the top of the firework. This is sometimes called the nose cone because it's cone-shaped. So draw an upside-down V. That's very good. Now draw a little hook on the end of each line. There's one. And now on the right side. Now connect those two hooks with a smiley shape. Now we have a funny little cone shape.
Okay.
Now we're going to draw the body of the firework. And the body is a cylinder shape. So we'll do two lines going down and tapering in. Tapering means they get closer together at the bottom. If you can't keep up with Artie and he's going a little bit too fast, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Okay, now we're going to draw the stick that comes out of the bottom of the firework. Do a long straight line down and another one beside it. Now connect those two lines together.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
It's so much fun, Mikey. Okay, Artie, let's draw the eyes. One on the left and another one on the right. Colour them in nice and black. Now let's draw a larger circle around the left eye. Very good, Artie. What should we do now? That's right, the other eye. We'll draw another circle around the right eye. It's looking great, Artie. How about some eyebrows? Did you know, Artie, in Great Britain, where I'm from, on November the 5th, every year, people set off fireworks.
Why?
Well, it's to celebrate Guy Fawkes Night. Sometimes it's called Bonfire Night.
Oh.
We're learning while we draw.
Yeah.
Our fireworks mouth is looking really good, Artie. Let's do another smiley shape at the bottom of the firework, just to give it a nice finish.
Mikey, should Artie take a dance break?
Heck yeah, it's the best part of the show.
Are you dancing, little artists?
quite tickled me, frankly. I have to give it a 10.
What a wonderful dance break, Artie. Now, come on, let's get back to the drawing.
Okay.
Let's give our fireworks some arms. So we'll start with his left hand, thumb, finger, finger, pinky finger. Finish the hand and let's draw his arm. Do 2 lines from the body to the hand. It's that simple. Now let's do the same on the opposite side, but we'll do the hand in a slightly different position. Let's do his pointy finger pointing at his head. Draw his little sleeve and then the arm. Remember, just 2 lines from the hand to the body.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
He sure is. Now let's draw a little explosion to show that the firework is being set off. Now, fireworks can be very dangerous, little artists, so I want you to promise me that you will never play with fireworks. Always have a grown-up around when fireworks are being used. Now finish off the fuse, Artie, and then let's draw the rest of the explosion. We're drawing lots of jagged lines, almost like a star shape, to show that the explosion has set off. Bang! Now let's draw some stars randomly spaced around the paper. This helps fill up the page, and it also shows that the firework is sparkling in the night sky. Oh, let's do some smoke at the bottom to show that the firework is shooting up into the sky. We can draw our plume of smoke as if it's sort of a cloud. A nice fluffy cloud shape. Oh, good idea, Artie. Let's do some stripes on the cone. Later on, we'll colour those in different colours. And let's do some stripes on the bottom, just to give some more detail. Finished, finished, finished.
Man, I hope everyone else's project came out as good as Artie's did. Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Well, little artists, we hope you have fun drawing along.
Bye.
Have an
Bye.
arty
Bye.
day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.